So back in 2016, Tesla started delivering the Model X to the world. And the first 1,000 cars were known as Signature Edition, right? They were very special. They had signature badging, and you had the option of having your Model X in the beautiful limited edition signature red color. This is absolutely a stunning color. Tesla did it also for Model S. And today I'm proud to share with you Signature Edition VIN number 007. This is the 7th Model X to ever come off the line, still owned by its original owner, enjoyed for only about 70,000 miles, but they came to us because they wanted to refresh it. They wanted to be a part of the brand new T-sportline restoration program that we have had in place for some time now, but now we're making it official for early Model S's and Model X's, and yes, even early model Roadsters, to go ahead and give it a refresh. Now, what's a refresh? So, first of all, we'll work on the exterior paint. It may need some paint correction. It may need to go ahead and be buffed. We have all the tools to rejuvenate your beautiful color of the exterior, especially as you can see how pretty this signature red is. And then when it comes to the wheels, you know, the wheel program has always been exciting for us, and sometimes we get curb rash or the wheels look a little bit older or faded, especially a car that is now 8 years old. So this customer upgraded to our 20-inch TSV wheels, finished in satin black. It's a more modern look, very similar to what Tesla's doing right now on new Model X's. So this was a perfect fit for this particular customer. Now, moving on to the interior. You know, early Tesla Model S's and X's, the interior fabrics changed at one point. They were leather, then they went to textile, then there was a combination of that, and then it went to synthetic vinyl. So this customer wanted to take it to a whole new level. She never really liked the original interior. So what do you guys think about this Bentley sapphire blue leather, completely reupholstered on the interior? We started off with the dash and two-toned it with black leather and the sapphire blue leather, but then, as you can see, the full door has been reupholstered along with the seats, front, rear. Yes, this is an original 7-seater. Haven't seen one of these for a while. And then, of course, row 3, the inserts are perforated, and we even went ahead and added some additional detail by reupholstering the steering wheel, lower dash, center console, and armrests. Now, my favorite touch on this is bringing the exterior beautiful signature red into the interior. And we refinished all the decor pieces on the dash, center console, cup holder, and the 4 doors. They were wood, and now they've been refinished in signature red. I think it looks amazing, something we've really never done before. And then another side thing to note is, you know, the front seat sides and the seat backs, those are gloss shiny black, and that's the way they came from Tesla back then. So interesting note over there as well. Additional parts of the restoration program was the attention of detail, because this car originally had a tan interior, and back then Tesla would match the interior with the seatbelt webbing. So the seatbelts were also tan. We purchased all new seatbelts from Tesla in black, the updated belts, and reinstalled them on all 7 seats. Finished everything off with some really nice new plush floor mats with the Tesla logo hand carved in by a local artist to match the sapphire blue. So, Tesla fans, I need some feedback. What do you guys think about this color combination? I think this signature red and sapphire blue really do work well together, but it's not your norm. So I really want to hear from you guys, some comments below. What are your thoughts about this color combo? If you had a signature red Model X, what color would you redo your interior in? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos and restorations coming your way soon.